Applying the knowledge they have gained from salmon farming, scientists are looking to expand the practice by breeding other types of fish. Many aquaculture practices have long researched the viability of raising species such as cod and halibut, but are just recently finding success. In addition, they have taken on research into newer species to farm, such as cobia or bluefin tuna. This will raise their diversity by creating business within new markets.
Probably everybody's been reading in the newspapers and magazines about the decline in the natural fisheries for various species of fish. The total wipeout of the Canadian cod stock, for example, the decline in various parts of the world of other species of fish that people like to eat. And so in order to replace this loss of the natural fishery, you have a high motivation to farm new species, to produce them on a regular basis like you would produce pork or beef.
Farming of pigs, cows, and chickens have been done for thousands of years, whereas farming a particular species of fish, such as cod or halibut, has only been practiced for decades. Research is extensive because, as opposed to salmon, halibut are difficult to breed. Their eggs are significantly smaller, and the tiny larvae need live food. Tiny halibut must adjust to life in the tanks. At this young age, their instincts would usually tell them to be deep below the surface. Researchers keep a close eye on their reactions to close spaces, artificial currents, and dry food. They must understand exactly what a young halibut needs in its early stages of development to better protect the survival of the fish. Whereas a pig on a farm relies on guidance from its mother, the fish in these farms can only depend on scientists in the laboratories. One of the first things they must do after hatching is make a fish visible. They are almost transparent, making it difficult to study their behavior. In the laboratory, different sources of light are radiated into the tanks, lighting them up and creating a shadow. They use a video camera to record the fish as they react to changes in light, predators, food sources, and fellow fish. These results would be impossible to gather in nature because of the small size of the fish and the 20-meter depth at which they would usually be found. Halibut need to eat mostly plankton that moves, smells, and tastes exactly as it would in their natural environment. These are important factors to know when raising a fish that takes 4 years to reach a desired 150 kilograms, or 330 pounds.